In this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips for buying your first pair of studio-grade professional headphones. Hi there guys, welcome back. Help me out and help the channel out by doing all that good stuff. You know what to do, turn on all notifications, subscribe, and if you find the video useful, give it a like as well. So this video is directly aimed at you if you're looking to buy your first pair of studio-grade professional headphones. Look, it can be surrounded in jargon and all this clever industry talk, but there's no need to make buying headphones confusing. In this video, I'm going to keep it really simple and suggest 5 things that you look out for when you're buying your first pair of headphones. Number 1. Decide what you're going to be using your headphones for the most. Look, all of these headphones will do a job. You can use them for a number of different uses, clearly. But if you decide that you're going to be, say, imaging or mixing podcasts or working in a studio, you might decide what kind of headphones you need best for that use. So think ahead, if you possibly can, what your end goal is. Do you want closed back, open back? Make those decisions early on. It will really, really help you get a pair of headphones that is suited best to the need that you're going to be using for the majority of the time, at least. Price and budget, that is something you need to consider. Sadly, money is a part of all of our decisions, and it's no different with headphones. You can spend hundreds, thousands even on headphones, but this is your first pair of studio headphones, and there really is no need to be spending that silly kind of money on them. Keep it sensible. This is your first pair of professional headphones. These Sony 7507s are still available for under $150. Great value for money, and just goes to prove that you don't need to be spending a fortune on your first pair of headphones. So just be sensible. There's plenty of time ahead of you to trade up and spend hundreds, thousands even, on some headphones. But right now it's getting used to the sound of professional headphones. So just go easy initially and buy something that's well thought of, is well known from good manufacturers, that will last you for a couple of years as your tastes and your ears develop. Next to consider is fit and comfort. Look, these could be on your head for upward of 8 hours a day, so fit and comfort is really important. And there are 2 main areas to consider when we talk about fit and comfort. It's the clamp pressure. The clamp pressure is the amount of pressure you get from the headband around your head, and also the fit of the ear cups. Some ear cups go around your ears while others go over your ears. So make a choice. Try and find somewhere that you can go and try headphones on. If you know some friends, say, that work in the music industry, on studios, or maybe they're gamers and they've got a couple of pairs of headphones, go and try them on. You'll find that manufacturers tend to have a similar kind of fit across their range. So you might find that you prefer AKGs, you might find that you prefer biodynamics. Go and try some on, and also when you're buying your headphones, particularly if it's online, check out what the returns policy is. In case they turn up and they don't fit and they don't feel comfortable, you want to make sure that you get your money back. But if possible, try before buy. How mobile are you going to be? Sounds an odd question, but it's quite important. If you're going to be working purely from home or one studio, you're not going to be moving your headphones around, but possibly you will need to travel with them. Now, for instance, these biodynamics do not fold down at all, so they could be quite easily damaged if you're regularly moving about in a rucksack. Whereas the Sonys, for instance, as you can see, go down into a very compact small shape, so they will be well protected in a rucksack. The other thing I suggest you do is, if you are thinking of being mobile, you do think you're going to be moving your headphones around a lot, try to plan ahead and buy a hard case that goes with your headphones at the time of purchase. Most of these headphones come with these kind of nylon cases. They're all well and pretty, but they won't really protect your investment too much. So if you are going to be traveling, get a proper headphone case that will protect these headphones for bumps and bangs while you move it about. And the last thing to consider is replacement parts. How easy are they to make running repairs to? There are 2 areas, again, where these headphones are going to wear out quicker than others, and that will be the headband and the ear cups once again. Now, in years gone past, changing out ear cups was a real proper pain. It could be an afternoon's job. Most these days simply twist on and off, and they're really simple to do. And the headband on these buyers, for instance, it's just on popper studs now. It's that simple. The headband and the ear cups will wear out, and they will wear out before any of the internals on the headphones are done for. So just check how easy it is to replace them. You might be too confident replacing spare parts, so look for something that's nice and easy. Once you've decided on the manufacturer you're going to be using to buy your headphones from, look at their website, check how easy it is to replace the parts, and check how available those replacement parts are as well, because that way your investment and money you spent on these headphones will be safe for years and years to come. So there you go, guys. They are my 5 top tips for helping you on your way to buying your first pair of studio headphones. Has it been helpful? I've kept all of the jargon and industry words out of this video because I wanted to make it really simple to help you get on the way. But let me know in the comments, what are you looking to use your headphones for? Are you going to be gaming? Are you going to be working on podcasts, spoken word, music? Talking of which, if you're listening to headphones and comparing them, always try to use the same tracks to listen to on various headphones. They're called reference tracks, and it really will help you just understand what the different nuances and sounds are of these headphones. Just a little tip there, and include a spoken word track as well, because spoken word sounds very different to music. Just an idea you might want to consider when you're trying these headphones out, but let me know in the comments if this has been helpful and what sort of headphones you are looking to buy. Guys, don't forget, if you can do me the favor of subscribing to the channel, turning on the notifications, and also dropping me a like if you found this video helpful. But for now, that's all I got. Tell you what though, I'll be back soon enough. I'll see you next time.